Dear Ashley, how are you? That's a stupid question, isn't it? I should know these things, but it wouldn't be the first time we're not on the same page. I know we're not the best at communicating, and I also know that that is mainly my fault. It gets real clouded up in here, and it disturbs our connection. I'm sorry that I lock you in here sometimes. It's just that this cloud in your head, it's scary, you know? It tells me some scary things that make me react the way I do sometimes. I know that makes you feel sad. I don't want to control you. That is not how this relationship should be. That is not how I want it to be. I don't want to control you. I just simply want to be there for you. I want you to know that I'm fighting this cloud as much as I can, and that I'm not giving up no matter how hard it gets. I'm doing that for you, because I want you to feel happy. Also, I want you to know that we are normal. We are valid. We might experience things differently than others, like love or public spaces. Some things we can deal with, others are just the way we are, and both of those things are fine. I know that sometimes you wish we were like everyone else, but deep down you know that those things are what makes us special, even if that sounds so incredibly cheesy. We'll just make sure that we give all of those things a space so that you can be happy, because that is all that matters. With love, your body.